Give them food. I'll give them food. My rooster, guys. Come eat na, baby. Where do you go? I grow tired of you, childish pervert. Last time you leave. Hi, Nick. Hello, Nick. I'm feeding all my animals. Look, my chicken. Wait, they're fighting. They're fighting for food. What happened? They're fighting for food, guys. Look, the other girl. Come here. Come na, baby. Where's your baby? Wala na yung baby mo. Namatay na. Wifey? You, wifey? Why you call me wifey? Yes, I got it. I feed my chicken, rabbit, my dog later when I cook rice again. Look, my rabbit cage. Ay, my dog cage, rabbit cage, and all my chicken. Only 4 because of my dog eat the 2 babies. So I'll bring them a cage. And look, I want to see the egg. Wait. I forgot. I want to see the egg backyard. No way. No way I want to see. Maybe someone took it. Steal it. Oh, what are you doing there, baby? My chicken one. Oh, there is my chicken one. I want to see my chicken egg here. I want to see. Here's our backyard. Look, I want to see. Hello? Musang! You crazy cat! Look who is here. Look who is here. Look, guys. Hey, what are you doing there? Yeah, it's not your baby, that. What are you doing? That's the egg of my chicken. Get out of there, baby. How many eggs are there? Huh? Get out. No, get out. 5 eggs? No way. Oh my goodness. Look, what are you doing over there, baby? Did you see that, guys? A cat lying on the egg of chicken. What's that? Look at this chick. Look. He's lying on the egg. What is you doing over there, baby? Huh? It's long. A pretty cat. My cat. Because I closed the door yesterday. Maybe he look look where he go to sleep. Look at this cat, guys. It's really good. Welcome. No, baby.